Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get dog automatic feeder in Heartopia. So this item is perfect for you if you want to feed your dog automatically without the hassle. First, make sure your dog carrying hobby is at level 5 like this, because this feature unlocks at this level. So if you haven't reached it yet, just focus on leveling up your dog carrying first. And once you're level 5, just head to the Mrs. Joan's pet store like this, and then just tap on the pet store and then just use the automatic dog feeder like this. To buy this dog feeder, you need 30 visiting star, so make sure you have enough visiting star, and after that just tap on purchase, and just like that you're done. Now your dog can eat automatically and making pet care way easier. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.